Got it.
So right at 4.
Yep. Awesome. That looks good. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Coming in. Could you tell me your name and what's in here real quick, man?
My name is Mike. I have a 1 Sundown ZV515 on a Terrence 8K. A DS440 on my mids in the doors, which are DS18 FR6 Neos. And that's about it.
How deep does the port go past that point? Does it drop?
Yeah, close to the bottom.
It is? Okay. And that's a
8 inch. Yeah, 8 inch.
8 inch.
I
Nice.
didn't shorten it a little bit.
Do you know what it's tuned to?
It is right now. The peak is 38.
Really? That's a low peak, okay.
At the last show, when you sat in here, the peak
Yep.
was 54.
It was high,
and
way
I
higher.
had a different box. Too.
Yeah. Are you happy with it now or before? Are you still?
Meter's better now.
Meter's better? Okay. Okay. Can I see the back real quick for a picture?
I got a CS 220 under the hood.
That helps too.
Yeah.
Yep.
My battery's under the
Wow. Nice. How big is your cubic space on this?
4.25.
4.25, okay. And that's net or with a sub displacement?
That's before the service.
For the sub, okay. Got it.
So right at 4.
Yep. Awesome. That looks good. What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Vile. Quick little commentary before I get to the bass demos I like to do. Just want to say shout out to Mike. Really good job showing us his whole full rundown of his system and all of his equipment. Be sure to give him a like if you haven't already and subscribe for daily cardio videos. So a couple things to mention about his build that I like. First off, Aeroport. So his Aeroport is an 8 inch with a flare like you can see there. The depth you're able to dial in depending on how loud you want it in your tuning. So it's really cool uniqueness to be able to utilize an Aeroport for that. And he has an 8 inch. He could have went with a 6 or a 12 or a 10 depending on if you want it to be more musical or low tuned or higher tuned. A 12 would be like a burp. I wouldn't recommend that because his is a 15 inch. Usually you like to keep your ratio to your subwoofer lower than that ratio there. And also want to mention the amp rack. So he has his amp stage right behind the box. Not recommended to mount them on the box, but being able to mount them there and put the seats up makes it convenient, and he optimizes his space to where it's right at that window line mark for his enclosure if he does decide to compete. Maybe some of the SPL gurus could say, hey, this doesn't meet certain specifications because the port's too long. I don't know. But him adding that extra port length on the top helped him get a little bit more musical as well. And lastly, just want to say shout out to everybody watching. Everybody, I appreciate y'all always watching my videos, and thank you for being subscribed. I have more videos to come, so let's go ahead and dive into this demo from Mike. Whoa! We actually have lithium underneath, or is it Ying Long? I'm still learning. Limitless, okay. So it can actually fit under the hood with the heat.
Yeah.
Really? It's pretty cool. They have lithium that goes into the hood now. I didn't even know that. Most of them don't like anything over like 140 degrees. Nice. All right.
Too fast to prepare for things, tripping in the world could be dangerous. Whatever it takes.
voltage don't move really, man.
Don't move, it does not move.
Man, that's good. Solid voltage.
50 amp hours of
Yeah. Thank you, man.
off-brand customs.
Yes,
Jonathan
sir.
Horn. He says
Okay.
he knows you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.